setting up the exercise for eccentric, internal rotation of the shoulder. So we're going to take a TheraBand and we're going to wrap it around the leg of the table. If you don't have, obviously, a small notch like that, then you can set it up such that you just put it through itself and that would hold steady. And then we'll show the actual setup of yourself, or if you're going to be executing it, you'd be positioned. So oftentimes when people set up, two things happen. One, their shoulder is forward. It's not really centrated in the socket. So we want to be there, and then we also want to be there. So that's going to be the positioning. If I keep that position, I'm going to find the appropriate amount of tension. So I'm going to move myself away from the band. I'm going to start at about 45 degrees. I'm going to monitor my shoulder with my opposite arm, and then the force or intent is to pull down. It's going to be 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5. We'll go up about 20 degrees, keeping the shoulder down and back. I pull again, 5 seconds, repeating every 20 degrees. As my arm gets further away or further out to the side, the tension on the band certainly lessens, but so does my strength. The production of the internal rotators becomes less as we get them into a stretch position. This being said, if we're having exceedingly more range of motion than just vertical, we may need to move our whole person away from the tethered point such that we can maintain adequate tension that we're still challenged. But the process repeats itself still. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5. A little bit lower down. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5. I'm not just holding, I'm actually gently, they call it a yielding isometric, where I hold against the resistance of the band. Good, 5 seconds. Really trying to get my shoulder out and around, being disciplined about the shoulder height, keeping it packed, and then keeping good tension with my elbow gently down into the table, such that my serratus anterior as well as my lower trapezius are also engaged and stabilizing. I would then rescue the arm. I'd come back out of the position. I would reset, repeat. Each set should be anywhere between 2 and 3 minutes. If you can go longer than 3 minutes, you need more tension. If you can go less than 2 minutes, then you need less tension.